It is time to make some wonderful low sodium cookies. When we start cooking a low sodium recipe, we have to make sure that we have all the low sodium stuff to go in it. In the big bowl is 1 egg, beat until it was frothy, with 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. The medium-sized bowl has 1 cube of unsalted butter, a 1/4 cup of packed dark brown sugar, 3/4 cup of white sugar, and mix them a little bit. It smells wonderful. In this bowl, we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And leave your self-rising in the pantry. It's got 440 milligrams for a 1/2 cup. 1 teaspoon of Hain Featherweight 0 sodium baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking soda substitute. 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. We're going to mix this in with the butter and egg mixture. It almost smells like gingerbread. Just about. We have 1 cup of mashed cooked yams. And those, I think it's about 1/3 cup. It's what was in the bag of chopped craisins. I like to chop them because when they start to cook, they plump, and I like the pieces. You can use any kind of nuts that you want to. I like pecan pieces, walnuts or almonds, as long as you read the back and it says no sodium, because some of them do have sodium. Put these in. You need to use a heavy-duty spoon to stir this with. It's quite a thick batter. And then we will drop it by spoonfuls on a parchment-lined cookie sheet. That's a thick batter. Just by spoonfuls. I'm going to stick them on there, put it in the oven. My first 2 batches took 18 minutes to cook. My oven could be off. I think it's because I forgot to tell you. When you get them on the cookie sheet, flatten them down with your hands before you put them in the oven. All of our cookies together, the whole batch, 86 milligrams of sodium. If we had used store-bought baking soda and baking powder, we would have had to add over 1,700 milligrams just for those 2 items. We're not adding salt to these cookies or preservatives. The first 3 or 4 or 5 times that you make them, you're not going to have to worry about it because they will disappear in a couple of days. But after a while, when you kind of get used to them a little bit, I keep them in the freezer. It does not take very long for them to thaw, and they're kind of good frozen. Today, we got 65 cookies. Each one has 1.33 milligrams of sodium. Not bad for a really good cookie that we can enjoy because it's low sodium. And here is our finished product. When the cookies are completely cool, put them in a plastic bag and in the refrigerator. Next morning, oh, are they ever good with a cup of coffee. What a nice little treat to be able to have. If I got you thinking that maybe you can bake some cookies again. Then I've done my job. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday, there will be a low sodium tip to lower that sodium, or a low sodium recipe. Sometimes